welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm sorry the lighting is a little bit off today. I just wanted to do a quick pack with me from Miami video for you guys. Chloe, I just basically wanted to show y'all how I pack my luggage when I go on little mini trips. We flying out to Miami for my good girlfriend's birthday weekend. So yeah, we're gonna be there for 3 days and 3 nights. I always carry a carry-on. I never carry like a big suitcase because I don't like checking my luggage. So I'm going to show you guys how I pack my carry-on to make everything fit. What I like to do is plan my outfits ahead of time so I know exactly what I need to take. This way I'm not carrying a bunch of unnecessary items. So yeah, we're just going to get started. We're going to get right into the video. I like to pack each outfit together. So I make sure I have the top I need, the bottom I need, and the shoes. And also the bag. If it's a dress and a shoe, then that's a different situation. But I like to make sure I have all of the components of my one outfit put in the suitcase before I move on to the next one. So I'm going to take my camera off the tripod and I'm going to aim it at the suitcase so you guys can see everything that I'm putting in there. So yeah guys, we just want to get started. Alright guys, so in this little pocket, this is the size of my luggage, by the way. It's just a one little carry-on. So it has two sides, has this side, left side, and right side. Just got a little razor in here, and it has this little pocket, so I like to put like little sandals in here. I just have a pair of sandals. Take it out. Simple pair of sandals. I do have a pair of heels in this. You guys already seen these heels, so I'm not going to take them out. But these heels I'm just bringing as a backup. They're not necessarily for an outfit. So yes, now I'm gonna put these back in here. The first item that I'm going to throw in is this blazer. I already know when I'm going to wear it, which night, and what I'm going to wear it with. I did plan on wearing it with a pair of denim shorts, but I couldn't find the denim shorts, so I have these leather shorts that I think will look really cute with it. So it's going to be those two. And then what I'm going to do is put the shoe that I'm wearing for these. So remember I told you guys, I'm going to take one out the dust bag. I remember I told you guys that I wanted these boots in my last video. I think it was my Zara haul. So I got them, and I feel like this outfit is going to be super duper cute. So as you can see, the gray on gray. And then I think I'm going to just pair it with my little Gucci mini Dionysus. So I'm going to throw that in there as well. So I'm going to put this back. I'm going to just toss this right here for now. And then put the other one. I just wanted to show you guys those, but I'm actually going to put these on the top so they don't get smushed. So I'm going to put them to the side for now. Alright, so the next outfit are these fun leggings. So I'm going to throw those right on top and try to just paste everything down. And then I'm going to wear it with my Walford top, my nude Walford top, which I wore before. I'm going to wear it again. Why? Because it's mine. And I'm going to take the straps off and kind of wear it as like a strapless member. So we're going to do that. And then the shoes that I'm going to do with that are these pink Giuseppe's that I also wore before. So I'm going to throw those right over here at the bottom. Try to not have it try to tuck it under here so it's not touching the shirt. Alright, so this shirt here is a backup, so I'm just going to throw that in there. It's just like a little multicolored turtleneck. Super cute. So that is my Friday night and my Saturday night outfit, guys. So next, we have this poster girl dress. This is going to be my Sunday outfit. This is the bone colored Miranda dress. So I'm just going to throw that right on top. And the shoes that I'm wearing with this is going to be this Zara heel right here. This is just one of my options. I haven't tried it on. I feel like it'll look cute, but if it doesn't work, that's why I brought those other heels that I just showed y'all, the white ones. So I'm just going to put these at the bottom next to the Giuseppe's. And these Zara heels I had for a while, but I only wore them like once or twice. So yeah, pop those right at the bottom. I have my underwear and my bathing suit that I'm just going to tuck underneath in there. So this is my cover up. I'm gonna cover up the shoe. It's my bathing suit cover up. The bottom parts of my bikinis, tuck them in that corner. And I know the lighting is not the best, guys. I'm sorry. Then I have my other cover up, throw it right there. Okay, so now I have these fun leggings from Zara that I'm just gonna put right on top. These are backups, not a part of a specific outfit, but they fit right there. I have this bodysuit that I'm also going to, I'll insert pictures of everything that I'm wearing also, so you guys get a better idea, but this bodysuit is a backup. I'm gonna throw that in there. I have this Marine Serre wife beater tank top type of thing. This is a backup. I'm also gonna put that in here. My Skim set, which I probably am gonna wear home on Monday. I'm gonna pop that on top. And then I have this super cute bodysuit from Zara. This is one of my backups, but it's like really cute, so I might choose to wear it as an outfit. Might can do that Sunday for brunch with my, with my Rick Owens, which I'm actually wearing to the airport, so I'm not gonna put them in my suitcase. So put that right on top, right there. And then now I have this regular white Zara button up. It's like a poplin type of shirt. Pop that on top. And I have a Zara bodysuit again. Pop this right in the middle. This is my leather Zara bustier. Y'all know I love a corset. So I'm gonna pop that in there for backup. And then my Zara bodysuit for backup. This is my little sleeper that I'm going to sleep in one of the nights, just in case we have like a little cute sleep night. And then I have this little Zara number that I'm going to put on this side. Now once I flip this over, this is what it looks like, this little section. So what I'm going to do is pop this little bag in here. So far I have two bags. I have this little Kurt Geiger bag. I have my mini Gucci Dionysus. I'm bringing my, I'm going to bring my Coach bag in a separate bag that I'm going to put into my pocketbook. I'll show y'all that. But give me 1 second and then I'll show you guys what everything looks like after I put in my boots. Alright guys, so I tossed the boots right on each of the corners like that because I don't want them to get smushed. And then on this side, just like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this bag now. I'm going to close that bag, and what I usually do is I'm going to close that bag. I have all my makeup and stuff in this bag, but I usually just put that in my my big pocketbook that I carry on top of my suitcase. This lighting, guys, I'm sorry about the lighting. It's just natural lighting right now. But yeah, once I close my suitcase, I'm going to put everything on top and I'll show you guys how I carry it. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching my little pack with me. Super short and quick video, but I did get a request to do one of these, so I just wanted to fulfill that request. And now guys, just stay tuned for the vlog. It's going to be a fun weekend. It's my really good girlfriend's birthday weekend, so I'm just ready to have some fun. And yeah, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys what everything looks like, so it's nice and easy peasy to carry. And then stay tuned for the vlog. Thanks for watching, y'all. Real quick guys, the suitcase is closed and I just got my little bag on top and I just carry it like that. Chloe wants to say hi. Say hi, Chloe.